Unconscious nifaq. Now, what is that unconscious nifaq? What is the predisposing cause of this disease? Quran calls it disease. There are predisposing causes. The predisposing causes of this disease is weakness of Iman. Just as we know, when a person is weak, his resistance is lowered, all types of bacteria would come and attack him because his resistance has gone down. Iman is the resistance, the strength, if that is weak. A person has embraced Islam, it has appealed to him. It has appealed to his heart and his mind both. He embraces Islam sincerely, consciously, not by way of deception. But then, when the time comes, now spend for the cause of Allah. Now it's a difficult time for them. Now is the time to go out to fight for the cause of Allah. Risk your lives. Oh, it's difficult. So they falter, they tremble. And you know, this is only a weakness of Iman. This is not nifaq, provided they confess their mistakes, misdeeds, shortcomings. They don't cover them with any lies. They don't cover them with any lame excuses, wrong and false excuses, telling lies. They accept it's our shortcoming. And then what will be the result? They will go to the Prophet, apologize to him, and also ask, O Prophet, Ya Rasulullah, istaghfir lana. Not only you forgive us, also you pray to Allah that He may forgive us. If this is the state of affairs, he is not a munafiq, he is only a weak mu'min. He is mu'min, but weak. But now, beyond this line, nifaq starts.